Okay, start.
Okey. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat tengah hari. Nama saya Muhammad Hafizuddin Berosli bersama dengan grup member saya Muhammad Adam Aiman bin Abdullah dan Muhammad Abdul Najib bin Muhammad Hussein. Kami nak buat perbentangan untuk case study DFN 50223 Windows Server Administration. Terusnya. Background scenario. A global technology student Berhad has just set up a new branch in Sungai. The branch consists of 3 departments which are human resource HR, marketing and sales. Every data and file from this department will be uploaded to individual folder in the server at the branch. The centralized data is intended to facilitate any information sharing within the branch. The administrator will have full control over this folder, with other user will only able to read the data. HR and marketing department will have to directly report to headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. In this case, many file and data from this department will need to be accessed by HQ regularly. As HQ will also have to access the file from other branches as well. A unique folder that target this share folder will be very much needed. Next. Okay, instruction based on scenario above, students are required to question A, identify the best method to provide data sharing and data backup facilities at the branch and HQ level. First, share metadata but keep confidential and sensitive information valuable. Dua, create code to make data anonymous, keep the data dictionary secure. Tiga, when transferring sensitive data to another party, encrypt the data. 4, make sure your computer has antivirus and firewall software that update regularly. 5, make sure the data and physically protect in a locked drawer or on secure network. Next. Seterusnya saya serahkan kepada Nabil.
Okay, the question B. Demonstrate and clearly explain each step that need to be taken to implement the solution. First is install and configure DFS namespace. So here we can go to the server manager and click add role feature. So at this part, you just need to click next button for the installation type. We choose role based or feature based installation and click next. After that, we choose server that we have on our server pool. Here we choose Win server and next. And here we can choose the server that we want. So here we go to the file and storage service and choose DFS namespace and click next. Here it will show the feature that come with the namespace and we click add feature and then we click next. And here we can confirm the installation selection and just click install. And next after the installation finish, you just click close. After that is installation and configure DFS replication. This time for which the namespace, we just click add role and feature at the server manager and click next at this part. And then we choose the server that we want. And then we will choose the server role and here we will click the DFS replication. After that, we will confirm the installation selection and click install. After the installation done, we just click close. And then that's all from me. And then I will give it to Muhammad Adam.
Okay, untuk part C, iaitu verify the solution. Have a 3 question. Question 1 is display file being shared and the permissions for the folder. And question 2 is testing DFS namespace on window client. Step 1 is open DFS management and click right click on the management right click on the namespace and go to the properties. Go to the new sebesar lah sikit tapi tak nampak dia punya tu. Go to the new namespace wizard and browse. Nak cari nama kita kena browse dulu. Dan bila dah sampai part yang Nabil accept aku punya tu controller. Bila dah sampai part ni, kita tekan advance lagi. Lepas tu dah sampai part ni, kita cari nama kita yang nama kita punya driver tu. Kita cari nama kita punya driver. Mula-mula tekan dekat find now. Lepas tu kita jumpa kita punya driver, tekan OK. Lepas tu naik ni. Next. Lepas tu check name kita punya driver tu betul ke tidak. Lepas tu tekan OK, dia akan masuk ke dalam server ni. Tu bawah slide. Ni nama kita punya driver tu. Dan just click next. Untuk yang seterusnya, apabila tadi kita dah tekan next, dia akan pergi kepada namespace name and setting. Just type public or whatever name yang kita nak. Tapi untuk team kita orang, kita orang tekan public and then click edit setting and then choose all user have read only permission and then click OK and then click next. After that, for part namespace type, just click domain based namespace and enable Windows Server 2008 mode and then click next. And on this part, review setting and create namespace, just click create and it will install. After the install this part can confirmation you're successful or not successful, but we think it's successful and then click close. For another part is under namespace we have adamaiman.com.my public. This is namespace for this file. This is domain under namespace. Just open and go to the properties and copying the domain and put in run and click OK and next. And then we will show the folder public but under network but kosong lagi lah, tak ada apa-apa lagi. Next. Lepas tu dah pergi ke network tadi, lepas tu kita tukar pergi ke this PC. We will show DFS root. Right click DFS root. Next. Right click DFS root. We will show file public in DFS root. And then in the folder public, right click to the properties and then click advanced sharing. Click advanced sharing and then to the interface advanced sharing, click the permission and then we will show the permission of the permission for public and then click everyone and then tick read and then click OK and then it will show to the advanced sharing, click OK. Okay, next. After the general after the sharing properties, we continue to the security properties. we choose creator owner and then close. After that, we will go to the Active Directory user and computer. We just test OU for create two user and one group, and then right click group security, go to the properties and then go to the members. It will show two members in group security, iaitu test Adam 1 dan test Nabil 2, and then click OK. After that, after finish the Active Directory and computer, we go to the server manager. For the server manager, we go to the share and then go to the task and then click new share. After that, to the this part, select iaitu part select profile, just click SMB share quick and then click next. Click next. After the select profile part, this is share location. Just click type a custom part and then browse. And then we show the select folder. On the select folder, right? Firstly is click the drive, and then click new folder, and then we will show create new folder. Just type test user data, and then click select folder. And then click next. After we create and then click next. After that, we will show the share name after the kita dah create new file dekat location tu. Lepas tu dia akan he go to the share file part, share name part, iaitu we name the share name is test user data and then click next. And then order setting, this part is just tick enable access based enumeration and then click next. And then for this part is permission part, just click customize permission. And then we will show the interface advanced setting on the permission. For this part, we will click the disable inheritance, and then after click this, we will show the block interface, a block inheritance, and then click the convert edited permission into explicit permission on this object, and then next slide. We will show just for this part is we will remove file user Adam colon Adam slash user colon and file and user Adam slash user. Two file is have to remove, and then next, and then for this part, after we remove the two user, and then we will show this part. Just click select the principal. And then we find this group, iaitu group server, and then check names, and then click OK. After that, we click the show, we click the permission full, and then we will show the full, we will show the advanced permission, and then click create folder and append data, and then click OK. For this part is we add after we finish the choose the principal, we go to click OK and apply, and then click next, and then click create. After the click next and create, and then result will be show. This is result, create SMB show complete, set SMB permission complete, and then click close. Go to this part is we will show the test user data have ada dalam this PC tu. Just click local disk, and just click this PC, we show the local disk or new local disk, and then under new local disk we have the test user data file, and then in the test user data file we will create the sample file. This is text simple file, and then next, and then we go to the DFS manager, and then we right click to the domain, and create new folder, and then give name is test data, and then click add, and then click browse for find the folder, and then click test data, click user data, and then click OK. After that, we browse. We find the driver test user data, and then click OK. And then we to pass the driver to the new folder, and then click OK. After that, we go to the network, and then we show the file test data. Test data is under domain adam.com.my and public. Under folder public, we have test data. Under test data, we have one text. This is sample file. And then for the second, on the DFS management, we right click, and then click create new folder, and then click add, and then click browse to find public file, and then we click new shared folder, and then we create a new folder in the and then we create a new folder, and we give this name is share one, and then click OK. And then for this part, and we click all user, and then click OK. Correction for this part is we click OK, and then click OK, and then choose administration have full access, or the user have read and write permission, and then click OK. And then just choose share file one, and then click OK, and then click OK. And then we will show the driver, and then click OK again. And then we will show the test folder under the test share for test share. And then for the lastly, we have new folder in the public. And we will give next presentation for the Nabil. Dipersilakan.
Okay, for testing DFS replication on Windows Server. Firstly, we need to join the two server in the one domain. So here I have server 2 that join to the case.com and win/cmc which in the case.com. After that, we will go to this PC and create a new folder here, and I name it test1. After that, I will right click on test1 and go to the property and go to sharing, and then I click at advanced sharing. At advanced sharing, I will tick share this folder, and then after that, I will click the permission. So at the permission, I will click full control, and then click OK. After that, I will go back to here, and as you can see at the network, we can see the in win cm6 have test1 and it's empty. So I add a new sample file here as trial. After that, I will install DFS namespace and DFS replication on both server using a step B. After that, go to the namespace wizard and make a server win cmc 600.005 pi 60 as a server, and then go to the namespace setting and click as user 1. After that, choose a domain, space namespace, and then click next. After that, we will go to the network and see the test1 and user 1. After that, we will go to the replication folder wizard. So here we choose the replication.com user 1 test1 and the replication folder name and test1, and then click next. After that, the replication eligibility. As you can see here, the folder target is server 2 test1 test2 and win cmc 600.005 pi 6c test1. Add as replication member, and then click next. After that, we choose the primary member. I choose primary member is win cmc 605 p16c, and then click next. And then I will the topology selection, I use the full mesh and click next. And replication group schedule and bandwidth, I will choose replication continuous using the specific bandwidth and click next. For the review setting and create replication group, so here we can review the folder is guest.com user 1 test1 replication group name, and domain replication group member server 2 and win cmc replication folder name test1 replication folder path, and the primary folder target is win cmc and create. Here we can see the confirmation, and you can see we successfully create the replication. After that, we can confirm here at the case.com user 1 test1. They have the replication folder for 2 server. And if we go to the server 2, we can see the trial here from the test1. And the user 1 test1 also have a trial text because we already replication it. So that's all from us. Thank you.